Dear colleagues and friends, I am Professor Merz from Frankfurt, Germany, and it is my pleasure to invite you to the 14th World Congress of Perinatal Medicine. This year, the conference will be held in Istanbul, Turkey, from 11th to 14th September 2019. The organizing committee has arranged an outstanding scientific program with excellent professionals from all around the world. The conference comprises a wide spectrum of different disciplines: obstetrics, prenatal diagnosis and therapy, perinatology and neonatology, pediatric cardiology, pediatric surgery, pediatric pathology, and genetics. It will be an excellent opportunity to meet colleagues and friends and to discuss the latest developments in medicine. There are also several pre-congress courses. 3 of them are organized by the Young Donald Ultrasound School, the Fetus as a Patient Society, and the World School of Perinatal Medicine. Istanbul is a fascinating city that connects not only 2 continents, but combines also history and modern life. And last but not least, there will be a huge variety of excellent food and entertainment. So please come to Istanbul and enjoy the 14th World Congress of Perinatal Medicine.